Steady now, keep moving. Watch your spacing on the ramp. Clear at the bottom, keep them coming.
Straight ahead. Keep walking, easy now.
All clear on ramp 4. Guide them through to sector B. Keep them moving forward at a steady pace.
Pressure looks good on the gauge here. Yeah, they seem content. Water flow is perfect. This batch looks excellent, high protein count.
The bulls seem to agree.
Scan the microchip and log the weight. Reading confirmed. The weight is accurate.
Heart sounds are normal. Respiration steady. Noted.
Condition score remains a 3.
Opening the gate.
All right, move to the next section. This one is almost done.
All right, boys, steady on. Almost there. Just follow the line. Easy does it.
Batch 42 is moving. Copy that, line clear. Copy that, line clear. Portions are consistent.
Check the thickness right here. It seems a bit off. Keep it straight on your side. Looks good now. Move it forward to the rollers. Clear.
There's a slight variation here.
Understood. I'll mark this section for processing.
The flow rate is optimal.
Agreed. The new settings are working well.
Check the saturation on this sheet over here. Yeah. Looks good from the monitor. Flow rate is steady.
Section 3, reports completion.
Acknowledged. Proceed with sanitation protocol.
Seal integrity looks good on this batch.
Confirmed. Labels and weight check out on my end. Ready for crating.
A little to the left. Okay, drop it right there.
The meat packing line is secured. Leather processing is fully powered down. Safety checks are complete.
Okay, easy now. Push it all the way to the back. Got it. Watch your feet over there.
Scanning complete on crate 34B. Confirmed. Inventory matches the manifest. Ready for dispatch. Your manifest is approved. Proceed carefully and watch for the signal at the main road.